Shark Rocket Ultralight is designed for cleaning the listed floor types and reaching common above-floor areas. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, 2. ASIN, 1 stick and handheld vacuum. Converts to a handheld vacuum for stairs, furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. This matters most when evaluating the head, tools, and detachable or lift-away functions. It also states, carpet and hard floor cleaning. Deep cleans carpets while capturing debris on hardwood, tile, laminate. Use that detail to judge pet hair, stairs, or mixed flooring when those uses are supported, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, consider cord storage, filter care, bin emptying, and the machine's carrying weight. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that an upright body is bulkier on stairs and in tight storage than a stick or handheld vacuum. Buyers prioritizing lightweight spot cleaning should compare a smaller cordless design. Overall, Shark Rocket Ultralight best fits shoppers focused on cleaning the listed floor types and reaching common above-floor areas whose setup matches the supported facts.